Hey guys, welcome to Tech Surgeon YT once again. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create Google ads. So now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to your Google search and then search for Google ads, and then you can come directly to the platform. It's going to be the first search result you guys see here. So now once you tap on that, you can see we are now on the platform, and you can see drive Google ads, stand out with Google ads, be found with Google ads, and then you can see when you open and then you are a new advertiser, you can get offers and get free ad credit. So if I scroll down here, you will see you'll be given an option to get free ad credits to start your first campaign. So if you're going to be spending around $300, you're going to unlock $300 in ad credits. If you spend $900, you unlock 600 in ad credits, and if you're spending up to 1800, you're going to be getting 900 in ad credit. But then if you're not going to be spending up to this, if you are running a campaign and you want to run a $10 $5 campaign, you're not going to be eligible for this. So what you're just going to do is you're going to tap on start now. Once you start on that, you're going to be brought to this page asking for your business name. So my business name is going to be Tech Surgeon YT. Where should people go after clicking your ad? So I'm just going to put the link to my YouTube channel over there. Now you can see after scanning that, you can see people come here after they click your ad. That is my YouTube page, and then you can view how this is going to show on mobile and also on desktop. And then I'm going to tap on next. Now, what is your main advertising goal? If your advertising goal is to get more calls, if you are running a business, or get more website sales or leads, if you sell a product, get more visits to your physical location. If you are trying to market whether a store or a physical location, maybe a cinema or something that you own, so you can also use Google ads to create campaigns for that, and then get more views and engagement on YouTube. This is totally tailored to me, so I'm going to tap on next. Now, what do you want to focus on? If I want to drive video views and traffic, or I want to drive video views and engagement with my channel, so I'm going to tap on drive video views and engagement. Now I'm going to select a video I want to be promoting. So if I just take the link to my latest video, I'm just going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste this in the video ads tab, and then you can now put the headline you want for your ad. So I can just leave that as the title, how to create an ebook, and then you can also enter descriptions if you want. So you can just I can just copy the title and then also use that as description, so that people know exactly what your ad is about, how to create an ebook. So we're going to use the same thing as our second description line, and then on the ad preview tab, you can see how your ad is going to show. You can see the title right here, and it's going to be showing that this is a sponsored video. You can also toggle this to show how it's going to look on both mobile and desktop, and then once you're okay with this, you're going to tap on next. Now, after tapping on next, you can now tap where your customers are based, or areas you want to be targeting. Now, this is my home country, but if I don't want to target my home country, I want to target, let's say, higher RPM country. So I'm just going to tap on add location, and then I can pick, let's say, the United States, the United Kingdom, let's say a country like Norway, and then let's say Switzerland. So now we have the countries that we want to be targeting, and then you can see our estimated weekly performance. You're going to be getting around 99,000 to 430,000 impressions, and then you can see how many views you're going to get and how much you're going to be paying every time your ad is going to get a view. And then you can also pick what languages your customers speak, if they speak English, Mandarin, Chinese, or any other languages. So you can just select that. I think I'm okay with just English, because I want to target English speaking countries, and I'll target audiences that speak English, since my video is not dubbed and is default in English. And then once you're all right with this, you're just going to tap on next. Now you can now select the gender, age, and parental status of your customers. If the gender you want to target male, female, or unknown, it's always advisable to leave everything here tick down. And then the ages, you can just tailor this to what audience you're trying to reach. So I'm trying to reach a younger audience, since I am marketing ebooks, so I'm going to remove older audiences. So I'm just going to leave between 18 and 44 years. And then parental status, you can also toggle this, but I think it's generally advisable you leave everything here ticked. And then you are also going to get estimated weekly performances, since now you have removed some of these demographics. So now I'm going to tap on next. Now you can say if you want to reach people with specific interests, you can add specific interests like writers, since I am marketing an ebook. So writers, writing tools, books about writing, writing and training, writing job, creative writing ideas, creative writing courses, writing help for students, books, education, so that's more general. Okay, now we are okay with that. You can also check the preview as usual, tap on next. Now you're going to set your daily budget and you're going to set what currency you want this to be taken in. So basically you can set this at any amount you might want, as long as it's not $0. So if I want to run a $5 per day campaign, I'm just going to edit that to $5, and you see you're going to be getting 21 to 86,000 impressions every single week, and then you're going to be getting 400 to 1.2k views per week, and then your cost per view is going to be between 0.03 to 0.10 USD, and then you can decide to run this continuously or select an end date for the ad. So if I want this ad to run just between, today is the 29th, and I want it to run up till, let's say, 31st. So I'm going to be running this for 3 days, which is going to atone to a total of 15 USD. So once you're okay with this, you're just going to tap on next. Now you can now review your campaign to be sure that this is exactly how you want it. And now once you review all of this, you can tap on this edit button to edit every single part of your campaign if you are not okay with anything that you see over here. Now once you're okay with everything that is here, you're going to tap on go to billing, and now you can put in your payment method. So now you can you see I already have a payment method. I use my Google Pay for Google Ads, so it's going to withdraw this directly from my MasterCard. So now you can edit this, you can edit your own country, you can put your own time zone, put your own payment profile, you can change your payment method, you can put what payment method you want, if you want your credit or debit card. I really wish they would add PayPal to this or other payment methods, so that countries where their MasterCard does not work, they'll still be able to run, you know, Google Ads. But then if you cannot get a card that works, you can easily use platforms like Cheaper Cash to get cards that are going to work for Google Ads. Now you can also toggle this if you want personalized guidance from a Google Ads account strategist. I'm just going to tap on no, and then if you want promotional offers, I'm just going to tap on no, and then once you tap on submit, your Google Ads is going to be started, and then that is going to be shown on YouTube, and then you are going to be shown a personalized dashboard where you can see all your metrics. You're going to see how many views you're getting daily, how much you're spending daily, and then where your audience has reached. So basically guys, that's all for the video. That's how you guys can create simple Google Ads using the Google Ads platform. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and make sure to tap on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.